Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, we're gonna be doing a quick 5-minute full body workout. It's gonna be a lot of fun and you don't need any equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little logo in the corner of this video. It's completely free and helps to allow me to make more workouts just like this one. All right, are you ready to get started? Because we're gonna get fit right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Our first exercise is gonna be pistol front side back. So we're gonna be balancing on one leg, touch that toe to the front, and in, touch it to the side, and then to the back. Good, and continue. We have 22 more seconds. Good, and if you want to, you can try going down a little bit lower. Making sure that knee is over top of the toe. You want it to be in line. 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. So we're here balancing and touch to the front and to the side and to the back. Good, and try and go a little lower this time. To the front, to the side, to the back. To the front, side, and back. Good, we have 7 seconds. Front and side and back. Next exercise, plank alternating toe touch. So we're here in a plank. We're gonna bring our hand to our toe and touch. Good, squeezing your butt when you hit the bottom so your abs and your glutes are tight, and squeeze tight and in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next exercise is 5-second descent, arms up, squat. So we're keeping our arms up and we're squatting. 4, 5, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. And if it's too hard to keep your arms up here, you can try putting them together and making it a little bit easier. This is something very good to work on. That active flexibility is a great thing to have. 3, 2, 1. Next, standing scap retraction. So we're lifting up our arms, keeping our shoulder blades back all the way. And we are lifting, working those triceps. Keeping that back flat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to those pistols. So here, touch to the front, lightly touch to the side, and to the back. And go down a little bit lower if you can, and lower, and back. And front, and side, and back. Last one, front, and side, and back. Very good, let's switch sides. And front, and side, keeping all the weight on this foot, and back. Good. And front, and side, and back. Keeping that chest up, and to the side, and back. You should be feeling the burn right in that quad. And side, and back. Good. Plank alternating toe touch. So plank and touch that toe. Plank, reach and touch. Plank and down. Making sure you're getting a good plank position. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and into that 5-second descent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. Trying to keep those elbows straight. 3, 4, 5, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. and standing scap retraction back circles. So we're here, reaching up and pinching and lifting our arms up and pulsing. Good, keep those shoulder blades pinched back. You don't want to be hunched over, you want to be the opposite. Chest open. We are almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Very good job today, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all the new workouts. Also, if you're interested, check out my other channels for more fun workouts. I'll see you tomorrow.